How to replace the wireless LAN board. Before you begin, remove the side panel, the front bezel, and the hard drive cage. Removal. Disconnect the wireless LAN antenna cable from the wireless LAN board by grasping the connector with a small pair of needle-nose pliers or tweezers. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless LAN antenna cable from the wireless LAN board. A damaged cable or connector can degrade desktop performance. Remove the P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless LAN board to the motherboard and allow it to rise to the spring tension position. Grasp the wireless LAN board by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Replacement. Align the notch on the wireless LAN board with the key in the wireless LAN board slot on the motherboard. At a 30-degree angle, gently insert the wireless LAN board into its slot on the motherboard. Replace the P1 Phillips head screw to secure the wireless LAN board to the motherboard. Reconnect the wireless LAN antenna cable to the wireless LAN board.